Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy DJ CeeLo M4, as you guys know me on Instagram. I got my boy Columbus here, Glover, and we getting ready to go to Bimmerfest 2024. Let's go.
Hey, I'm Jose Santiago. That's our M2 we built. We brought it here to Bimmerfest. Check it out, it got the whole Alpha M body kit on, full carbon, air ride suspension, Eisenman exhaust, and some more goodies to check out.
Hi, my name is Arno Bastiaans. I'm from Belgium and this is my F87 BMW M2.
Jeff, just coming at you with 23 M5 competition here, decked out with some M performance parts, Venturi cold air intake and carbon fiber bits and pieces under the hood, tinted windows, one-off wrap, and this is it.
USA, Santiago. We own the Rifle Center, and this is our G80 from 23 we brought over here. Full Adro body kit, carbon, air ride, and also more goodies. Just check it out.
Hello, my name is Rod, and I drive a 2021 G80 M3. So far, the car, I've done a few mods to the car. I've got the Motorsports 24 racing hood, signature 21-inch performance wheels, two-piece performance wheels around it. I've got the Venturi cold air intake, the CSF intake, charge cooler, the in custom mid pipe with the Eisenman exhaust on it. Hey, it's good seeing y'all again. Hey, so my name is Rod, as you already know. This is my second car right here, the G87 M2. Some of the mods I've done to this is the Alpha N Performance hood, 21-inch signature wheels, the CT carbon fiber kit with the rear spoiler, the rear diffuser, side skirts, and then I have the NDiv carbon fiber inlet valves, and then I've topped it off with the Ink custom mid pipe and then the Eisenman twin sport axle back exhaust.